Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't send texts to your iPhone. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I've been using Android phones for several years. This is my third Android phone. On Saturday, my Android phone suddenly stopped sending text messages to my iPhone. I can receive texts and send pictures, but I just can't send regular text messages. I hope someone can help me fix this Android not sending texts to iPhone issue. We understand you might be facing the same problems. Don't panic if your Android phone can't send texts to your iPhone. To help you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem and get your device working again. Cause 1. Poor network connection. The solution is to check your network. When your Android phone isn't sending text messages to an iPhone, you should first check your network connection, especially cellular data. A poor network connection or a weak signal can also cause this issue. Therefore, ensure you are in an environment with good signal and network coverage and that airplane mode is off. If not, please change your environment and turn off airplane mode. Cause 2. Temporary cache issue. The solution is to restart your phone. A simple restart can often solve many temporary problems. If a temporary issue is affecting text message sending, a restart can help fix the problem of texts not being sent to the iPhone on an Android phone. A restart can eliminate temporary malfunctions on Android phones and bring the device to its optimal state. This solution is simple. Please follow these steps. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. Alternatively, you can find the power off icon or button on the restart screen, turn off your Android phone, wait about 1 minute, and then turn it back on. If the problem is caused by a temporary malfunction, restarting your phone should resolve the issue. Finally, the can't text from Android to iPhone problem should disappear. Cause 3. Unpaid bills. The solution is to check your balance. If you have unpaid bills on your device, your carrier may suspend all your functions, such as internet, phone, and SMS. The can't send texts from Android to iPhone problem may be caused by this. Therefore, you need to check for unpaid bills in your balance. If you have unpaid bills and insufficient balance, simply ensure you have sufficient funds and clear the bills. Cause 4. SMS service malfunction. The solution is to contact your carrier. For various reasons, SMS service may sometimes malfunction. At this point, if you try to send a text message to an iPhone user, the Android phone won't text the iPhone. If it's a service malfunction by your carrier, then you're not the only one experiencing this problem. Therefore, you can contact your carrier's customer service for assistance and have their staff further investigate the issue and fix the problem of Android phones not delivering texts to iPhone users. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone not sending texts to an iPhone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.